In this video, we'll guide you through the process of registering for Shopify Payments, Shopify's own payment gateway. Shopify Payments allows you to accept payments directly on your store without relying on third-party providers. Besides Shopify Payments, Shopify also supports other payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and manual payments like bank transfers or cash on delivery. Shopify Payments is available in many countries including the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and many more. But make sure to check if your country is eligible for Shopify Payments registration. Let's start by opening your Shopify dashboard. From there, go to Settings. Next, click on Payments to access the payment settings. Click on Complete Account Setup to start the registration process. Now, you'll be asked to select your registration type: an individual, a registered business, or a non-profit. Since I am an individual business owner, I'll select an individual. Next, fill in your personal information including your name, address, and phone number. Once done, click Next. You will be asked to enter additional information such as your business details and tax information. Once you've filled in all the fields, click Submit for verification. Once submitted, Shopify will review your details and send you an email once your Shopify Payments account is approved. If you are registering as a registered business, the process is similar. You will need to provide your business registration details, tax number, and other business-related information. After successful approval, you will need to link a bank account to Shopify Payments to receive your payments. Using Shopify Payments has many benefits. It's fast, secure, and allows you to avoid extra transaction fees from third-party payment gateways. Plus, all your payment data is handled directly in your Shopify account. That's it. Shopify Payments is now set up for your store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.